Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Vlogmas with theeberrys. So your girl is about to make some sea moss. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. This is Irish sea moss, straight from the sea, sun-dried and sealed. Babe usually buys sea moss from someone, but I was like, hey, let's try and make it. So that's what your girl about to do. But before we get into this video, you already know what your girl about to say. You already know. Be sure to, ooh, y'all, this stank. Yeah. Yes. Ooh, it stank, y'all. I should have waited to open it, but be sure to go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. But we about to go ahead and get into this video so y'all can see how I make this sea moss. This is my first time. I'm not gonna make it all, you know, because it is my first time. So I'm about to show y'all what's poppin'. Ooh, this shit stank. Thank God, thank you. Yeah, so right now I'm just rinsing it off, and I'm using the alkaline water to rinse it off. I don't care. It does still come with sand and all that on it, so that's why you wanna rinse it off. It feels weird, y'all. Feels weird, don't it? Alright, y'all, so now that I have that all rinsed, I am going to fill this with alkaline, covering all of the sea moss.
Still sand on there?
No. It might be, but I could feel it and it didn't feel like gritty. But of course, after you let it soak, you want to rinse it again anyways. All right, so make sure it's covered. So that's what we looking like. I'm gonna take y'all to the counter so y'all can see what else I'm going to add to this. All right, y'all, so now we have the sea moss in water. I am going to take a lemon and a lime. I should have had all my stuff together, but I am about to chop up a lemon and a lime and add it. If y'all dealing with sea moss, then y'all should already know the benefits of lemon and limes. If not, then research them because it is some great benefits. And it's definitely gonna help get this sea moss a little more cleaner to that acid in these citrus fruits. This is just an extra step. You guys don't actually have to do this. All right, y'all, so now that we have the lemon and the lime in here, ooh, it smells good. Now it smells good. I am going to close it up. And this is going to go in the refrigerator. I'm thinking like, I'm gonna try 12 to 24 hours first. I'm gonna see what it looks like after 12, and then I'll go from there. So y'all stay tuned so y'all can see what it's looking like, how I blend it up, and how it comes out. Remember, this is your girl first time, so don't be trying to drag me in that comment section. But I'll be back after we let this sit for 12 to 24 hours.
The next day.
All right, guys, so welcome back to making this sea moss, right? It is 10:57, so almost 11 o'clock, and I think I did this like 9 o'clock yesterday, so that's like 26 hours. This is what we are looking like. It has definitely expanded. So I am about to get ready to strain this and give it one more good rinse. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me there. Y'all don't mind my hair. Your girl is trying to do a braid out. And I just barely washed it, so let's drink some tea, y'all. Ooh, I should have got some more lemon. All right, y'all, so we are going to let that escape. Let me make sure I get y'all close. I don't know if it's supposed to feel like this, but we gonna see. So I'm gonna rinse it off. All right, so now that we have that rinsed off, I am going to be doing this in the Ninja. Hopefully everything works out as I planned. Oh, you know what? I thought I was gonna have to do multiples, but maybe not. So let's see. Let's see. All right, so this is what we are looking like. Now we are about to go on over to this Ninja. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to add some water. Look at me, look at me. So add a little water. It don't really say how much water to add, so I'm just adding some. If I need to add more as I go, then I will. But let's go ahead and blend on up. Yeah, I think I need to add just a little more water. Your girl over here making a mess, y'all. All right, y'all, so my battery went dead, so I had to change that joint out, but let's go ahead and finish this. All right, y'all, so this is the consistency that I am getting. It's not like liquidy or anything, but like, look at that. It's definitely like a paste. And we will be putting these in our smoothie, so this is fine with me. So your girl about to go ahead and put this in the jar. I don't want it to be too like liquidy or whatever. All right, y'all, so this is what we are looking like with the sea moss. Almost got a full jar though, almost. But I don't even think I used half the bag because it's my first time. I just wanted to try to make it first and see how it came out. But I am going to go ahead, cover this bad baby up and throw it in the fridge. Wait, is it supposed to go in the fridge? I don't know. Baby I see Moss, he puts it in the fridge. I'm sure it's supposed, yeah, we gonna put it in the fridge. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make Irish sea moss for the first time. This has a lot of great vitamins. It is so beneficial for you in more ways than one, both internally and externally. Look up the benefits because your girl ain't about to sit here and tell them all to you. I done made it now. You could do the work and see what the benefits are. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please be sure to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for another day of Vlogmas.
You're my bad girl, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes.